welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. What happened? Today, we're going to be making edible slime. You wanna play? So, Penelope loves making slime, and Leilani loves putting everything in her mouth. So, what better thing to do than to make edible slime? What you need is marshmallows, cornstarch, and some olive oil. Olive oil. Here, Penelope, what you need to do is put 1 cup of marshmallows inside of here. So put all the marshmallows in there. There we go. Good job. Okay, now dump it in there. Dump it in there. Alright. So now what we're going to do, you want to put 2 cups and have more slime? Oh yeah? So we have about 2 cups of marshmallows here that Penelope's mixing. And I'm going to go and put it in the microwave for 35 seconds. Or until the marshmallows are melted. You have to be very careful because it's hot. But it is nice and, I don't know if you can see that, fluffy. It's also nice and sticky. Sticky. So your fingers will get stuck in it, Mama. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take a tablespoon. Can you show them your tablespoon? All right. And we're gonna use oil. Here, so you hold the spoon. Here, Mama. Okay. And I'm gonna put the oil in there, okay? We're gonna do 1 tablespoon. And you can use any oil you like, coconut oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever kind of oil. Yeah, you see? And so now, I don't know if you can see in there. It is making it kind of clumpy. Oh! I'm going to get a different bowl. So what I'm going to do is transfer this into this black bowl so you guys can kind of see what's going on, because I feel like you guys can't see the white inside the white. Duh. When we put the olive oil, it made it kind of clump together. But it's still, it's sticky. Like, that's, yeah. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is put the cornstarch to make it not sticky, right? Correct. So you want to hold the cup. Can you show them the cup? I'm going to pour this in there for her. Oh my goodness. Maybe that was not a good idea. Okay. Pour about a cup in there. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and then I'm going to mix it in there. Okay. I think we poured too much. This is a really messy project. So, if you do this, please make sure you're okay with your kids being messy. Okay, so maybe we didn't need a cup of cornstarch. I think half a cup with 2 cups of marshmallows would have been good. See, and if she eats it, it's okay because it's all food. Oh. Leilani, what do you want? This? Wow. Do you want to make some more? You do? Okay, so we're gonna make some more. We are sending the whole bag of marshmallows. Okay, I'm gonna put some olive oil in here, okay? Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that may have been too much. I'm not the best at following instructions. So if this doesn't turn out well, it's probably because I didn't follow the instructions very well. But it's actually with the oil clumping up really well. I decided that my fingers are so sticky that I am just going to not use a measuring cup and I'm going to just pour it in there. We'll just take it out right here. So it's kind of getting hard.
Huh?
Hard, yeah. Thank you. You eat it?
Yeah. Can you eat?
Mmm.
No?
How very good. Ew, why are you eating that like that? Alright guys, so we give this Play-Doh putty. It's not really slime like we thought it would be. Maybe because I didn't follow the instructions. Oh. Our inspiration for this was more Shandara. Thank you, girl, for the recipe for this. And we hope that you guys try it. This is very messy, so if you do this with your children, be prepared for the mess. And also, it's not really slimy, so I feel like it doesn't stick to her clothes. The stuff that's on her clothes is the cornstarch. So that's also the nice thing too, is because slime gets stuck in places, like on carpet and everything. If you put extra cornstarch, it's not sticky at all. You just have to clean it up, and yeah. And it doesn't dry really fast either. She's been playing with this for a little bit. Yeah? So I would say this is about a 10 out of 10. You like this, Penelope? Oh, she likes it. See, it was worth the mess. Right, Penelope?
Right?
Are you gonna help me clean?
No.
Oh, she's not gonna help me clean. So it was worth the mess to Penelope. But instead of slime, I would say it's more like silly putty. And that probably could be due to me not following the instructions because my hands are sticky and I wanted it off my hands right away. Make sure you always like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.